Ready?
Oh no.
You're actually drinking out of the carton on camera. Oh man, it's so hot in here. Not enough. Still too hot. This is why it's getting hot in here. Trinidad Scorpions. So you guys know I love my hot sauce. So today we're gonna whip one up right from scratch. Doing this on the fly. I picked up some Trinidad Scorpions, Jamaican Scotch bonnet, then these little guys. Then we have half tablespoon of sugar, but I use coconut sugar, pinch of salt and dry oregano, fresh herbs. I have parsley, sage and tarragon, garlic, quarter teaspoon cumin seed, and fresh coriander seeds, apple cider vinegar, and to top it off, just a smidgen, whatever, 12-year-old scotch. We're gonna roughly chop this garlic just so we can fry it up nicely. We're gonna use that fresh coriander seed and cumin seed. You just wanna get some nice aroma from that. Olive oil, and then the garlic. Hear that sizzle? Turn it right down to low. Don't want to overdo it because overburned garlic then tastes really bad. Now with that pan going still, almost a quarter cup. And let that burn off. That's how we flambe around here. Just to burn off all that alcohol. Don't tell Margarita what you just saw. All right, so I'm using 2 of the Scorpion, 2 of the Scotch bonnet, and 5 of the little weary. Let's get to it. So I'm going to take the stems off these guys. So everyone knows I like to get a little crazy once in a while. Let's have some fun here. And you probably also noticed the audio is a little weird. There's a reason for that. Because I can't have a mic where you're about to go. That's gonna be a super hot camera now. Wow, that lens is covered. And we're gonna throw the garlic in. So the garlic's in there, all the greens, dried parsley. Time to go around again. Whew, all that Caspasian right now. Whew, I should wear a mask from this. Now we're gonna add half a cup of apple cider. And that was the quarter cup of the scotch. Oh, this poor camera. Let's clean let's clean this off. Wow. Now I have a small little sauce pot, medium to low heat. Then you're gonna dump this sauce that you made into there. And we're gonna bring it up to high just to allow it to bubble up for a bit. Then we'll just let it simmer. Right now it's bubbling up. I'm gonna turn it down to low and I'm gonna let this simmer for about half an hour. That steam is killer. Ooh, going right up my nose. Here we go. Cheers. Wow, that's good. It's good. Wow. Oh, wow. All right, so I'm just using tomato sauce here. Literally like a quarter cup. Just I want to help thicken it up. You know what? That's perfect. That's it. All right, so there you go. There's the basics to my hot sauce. You can tone it up. You can tone it down to however you like. All right, let's bottle this up now. Ooh, so potent. Just that smell. All right, now that it's all bottled up, let's have another taste test. How's that look? The flavors is so good. My nose is already running. It's going for another. Wow. Oh, wow. So good. You know who would be able to tell me if this is actually really hot or not? She's over there. All right, so she's game.
Are you sure about that? If you were sneezing, what about me?
So there's that tip. Just the tip. No, I can't use that. So there's just a little bit there. So don't put the spoon all in your mouth. Just... Ready?
Oh no. Oh my God. But it's
Free.
kind of delicious.
Yeah, so the flavor's in there, eh? I knocked this one out of the park.
It's nice. It's very spicy, but I know what you mean.
Like the lips, like it's tingling in there, but it's not like the other, like the killer hot sauces we have.
But the more breathing, the more it's
Yeah, it's like breathing
going
fire.
inside. Oh my god. Oh, can I have a milk?
No. Remember, the trick is how long can you go before you get
Are
relief?
you like competing with me?
No. But we're gonna have that competition soon, so you gotta learn. No, stay over here. Ah! No. Anyways, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. You're actually drinking out of the carton on camera.
I cannot wait. I don't see glasses. I don't see anything.
Oh boy.
I'm blacking out.
Hopefully I remember the recipe because I kind of like winged it along the fly. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. Mark and Margarita over there somewhere drinking out of the milk can saying, see you later.